Hi everyone, welcome back to Baby Steps to Your Best Life Yet, a 21-day cleaning challenge where we are going to be building some simple cleaning habits into a daily routine designed to help you get your home clean, clear and under control in 21 days. If you're new here, be sure to check out the link in the description of the video that I've posted explaining the 21-day challenge, along with the videos that I've uploaded each day showing how I tackle each of those daily cleaning tasks.
But it's like something feels different from back then. Why don't we go back to honestly, I'm open wide. I don't feel like waking up without you by my side. I still see your silhouette. Why don't we go back to your bedroom?
Now today's challenge is super simple, and that is to make your bed, and that is to get in the habit of making your bed every single day. I honestly don't want to even think about how many times I have filmed and edited myself making my bed on this YouTube channel, but if there is one thing that I can say with all honesty, it is I consistently make my bed each and every day, even if it is just simply spending 48 seconds pulling the covers quickly up so that it looks straight, it looks presentable, it doesn't need to be made to hospital corner standard, military standard, nothing like that. You just want to pull it up, make it look presentable so that each time you pass your bedroom, you're not faced with a mess. It is one thing that you can quickly and easily achieve each and every morning, and it just gives you that sense of accomplishment that you've done something to set yourself up for the day. And from the moment that you wake up, you're practicing discipline that is going to carry you through with getting your household under control and really getting it to that level where it is consistently clean every day.
Face the heat and maybe make a promise and make it through all our flaws, 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 all our flaws. It's a cold embrace, ain't it? It's a big mistake to be falling back to the stuff we know.
Now, in a recent video that I shared on my channel explaining how I keep my home consistently neat and organized, I mentioned a couple of different ways that you can make your bed. So a really super basic entry-level, beginner-level bed making tips. And this is what I would suggest if you've got a newborn baby, if you are struggling or are juggling with your morning routine, if you've got multiple kids at different ages and stages and you've got to leave early for daycare drop-off, school drop-off, whatever, go back to basics with your bed making. Don't worry about any decorative cushions or anything fancy. I would forget about even a flat top sheet and just go back to like a plain fitted sheet, quilt cover, 2 standard pillows, and that's it. Make it as easy for yourself as possible. And then once you start kind of getting in the habit of getting it under control, then maybe add in some extra decorations, whatever it is that you can handle. When you are struggling and when you are building those habits, just make it as easy for yourself as possible by taking away anything that requires extra effort and extra work.
Hey, you better make it worth it. Just stay, just stay.
For tonight's 10-minute tidy, I just unpacked the dishwasher. In my recent morning routine video, I mentioned how I like to start the day with a clean kitchen, but a dirty or empty dishwasher, because I really hate coming down and having to start my day with a chore, and especially one of my least favorite chores, which is emptying the dishwasher, and especially a chore that if you don't do it, it just leads to like a domino effect of things getting out of control. So if you've got a dirty dishwasher, you can't quickly and easily pack up all your breakfast dishes straight into it unless you empty it first. So I like to start my day with either a dirty dishwasher that's got room for the breakfast dishes or a completely empty dishwasher. So guys, that is it for today's video. As always, thank you so much for cleaning along with me. I'm loving and appreciating all the comments on the videos. Here's a little Freddy fix for all the fans out there. Keeping life fun and interesting as always. Be sure to check out the description box. You want to grab the link to the playlist, which has all of the videos in this series so far. Have a fabulous day, and as always, I'll see you tomorrow for another cleaning challenge. Bye guys.